go-getter girl.
A go-getter girl.
A go-getter girl. I absolutely love it.
I knew I needed a spiral bound. I knew I needed one that was coiled. I found this brand, and the owner of the company is seriously one of the sweetest people on the planet.
Look how she did the wrapping of this, guys. Isn't this so cute?
And something that I really liked about this planner is the layout for the month.
I love the way this planner folds because you can turn this planner sideways or this way.
This is another thing that kind of excited me about this planner. I love stickers. So when I saw this, I was like, dude, I can turn that into whatever I want. I've been able to pick up and replace the stickers with no issue. The paper quality in this planner is absolutely amazing. I would say this is a bomb daily planner.